Hi, I'm Patrick Perry about internet, either net, cable, high speed. About internet, either or net, cable, high speed. Okay, and was it about that is okay, this is called either or net cat 6. Let's see here is cat 8. This called either or net cable high speed. Let's see here is ain't it with your PC PS3, PS4, PS5. This is called the PlayStation. Let's see, Xbox. Xbox 360, Xbox One. Nintendo Wii. Nintendo Wii U. Nintendo Switch. Let me think. It is about console, your PC, your laptop, any name is about laptop is laptop Windows, laptop Chromebook, and let's see here, laptop MacBook. That's name as a laptop. Cat 5, either or net cable high speed. Any name is let's see, any colors is either or net, black, purple, let's see here, blue, gray, white, any colors, let's see, green. Yeah, you need to go to computer store. Let's see here. Let's see here. I got the cat 7 either or net cable high speed. Okay, let's see here. Yes. Hang on. Okay, you need to go to the Best Buy. They got either or net cable high speed. Let's see, here it is. Hang on. Yeah, they got Target, either or net cable high speed. Okay, yes. Hang on. Oh yeah, Walmart got a either or net cable high speed. Okay, you need to go to a they got either or net cable. They got GameStop. Yeah, they got GameStop. You need a place to go. They got Amazon.com. They got either or net cable high speed. You need to go to the websites. Let's see here. Okay. You need go to internet. Go to the Target.com. You need the internet to buy and send. You need go to the website is go to the BestBuy.com. You need go to the internet something to buy and send. You need go to the Walmart.com. You need internet buy and send. You need go to the GameStop.com. You need internet something to buy and send. This called either or net cable high speed. Yeah, this is called. You know how to. You took. Yeah, you. Let's see here. Yes. Yeah, you need go to a called the speed test. The speed test is how fast you're going. With you know how fast you're going is you need go to a Google.com. You need click the text box is speed test, and you need click run speed test. You know how fast you're going. You need how fast going is that's a way too fast, baby. That's a way too fast. This wow. The internet is fast. The internet is fast, baby. Well, I hope like my videos. I hope you like it. Well, maybe that's it.